How to fix Instagram notes and messages in pink color not working. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now click on the message icon given at the top right corner. When you drop a heart, any color, in your notes or in the message, you're gonna get the heart effect. Let me show you. Likewise, your note will turn into the pink color. Likewise, same goes for the conversation as well. In case you are unable to get this effect, you can follow these steps. First, update your Instagram. To do that, launch your App Store or Play Store. Then search for the app Instagram. After app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update your app to its latest version. Next thing you want to do is completely delete Instagram app. For that, press and hold on it. Click on remove app, click on delete app, click on delete. Then launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app Instagram and then install it. With this solution, the effect should work. If still it is not working, you can report to Instagram support team. For that, navigate to your profile page, click on three bars given at the top right corner. Now scroll all the way down and head over to the option Help. Click on Report a Problem. Click on Report Problem without shaking. Click on Don't Include and Continue. Now here explain that Instagram notes and messages in pink color effect is not working and send it. With that, Instagram support team will get back to you. With these solution, Instagram notes and messages in pink color will work. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.